All right, guys, for today's lesson, we are going to focus on Unit 1, Week 1, Day 2. Again, we will use our Government for the People book. Make sure it is the English version. And today we are going to be reading Election Day. Election Day will be on page 6. So let's go ahead and take a look at our directions for Day 2. Our directions say, read paragraphs 1 through 3. Highlight key details that help you find out who can vote, how they vote, and how they know who to vote for. Then type your answer below to answer these 3 questions. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to find the answers to these 3 questions in our text, and we are going to highlight them so that we have all that information together when it is time to type up our answer in this box. So let me go to the text, and here it is, Election Day. So just really want to show you really quick. In my book, I wrote the 3 questions on the side. I put who can vote, how they vote, how do they know who to vote for, just so I can remind myself as I am reading what it is that I am looking for, okay? So paragraph 1 of Election Day. On Election Day, United States citizens aged 18 and older can vote. They vote in special places called polls. They vote for candidates, the people running for office. It might be the president of the country, it might be the mayor of a city. So the very first sentence in paragraph 1 tells me who can vote. United States citizens who are age 18 or older are the people who can vote, okay? The next sentence gives a detail about how they vote. So how do they vote? Well, they vote in special places called polls. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that because that answers my second question, how they vote. The third sentence tells me who they vote for. They vote for candidates, and candidates are the people running for office. So that sentence partly answers my third question. So I'm also going to highlight that. They vote for candidates, okay? Let's keep reading paragraph 2. And remember, I am looking for who can vote, how they vote, and how do they know who to vote for. Voters receive a ballot. The ballot lists the names of the candidates. Each voter chooses one candidate for each office, then casts his or her vote. Paragraph 2 gives me more details about how people vote. Voters receive a ballot. That is the paper that they vote on. They also choose a candidate. They have to choose one person, one candidate who's running for office. And then they cast their votes. To cast a vote means to turn it in. So that is how they vote. That's the process. The third paragraph, right away I see the first sentence. How do people know who to vote for? So I'm actually going to let you guys read paragraph 3 on your own, and you are going to find any key details that help you answer any of these 3 questions. Who can vote? How do they vote? And how do they know who to vote for? When you are done, oops, sharing the screen. When you are done finding the text evidence in your actual textbook, you are going to go back over here and you are going to type your answer. So in your own words, I want you to tell me who can vote, how do they vote, and how do they know who to vote for?